This is our 1 acre land. We planted all tomatoes. Look how looking. Wow. This is our tomato plants, very strong and healthy, it's good, but there is a lot of this green. We want to use this to prepare sambar. So many green are there, and this is a unwanted thing for this when we growing this tomato. It is always coming in summer season, and we want to remove this. After 5 minutes I will remove this all, and I tell you. You can see how it was looking. All tomatoes are not clear, but so many that leaves are there. After 2 days, when we removing the unwanted all plants, these leaves are fully burned for this, and you can see how our tomatoes are looking clear, and only soil and tomatoes are there in this. Before this plant looking like this. After cleaning every unwanted plants, and you can see how it was looking very good, clear and fully strong with the soil, fully green. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos.